ask, would you say yes? Bien. Together we wear the best. I know that I am truly blessed. Every day I love you. And I give you my best. Every day I love you. Bury Me,
Maraming
beautiful
salamat,
song.
Idol. Talaga
Alicia
naman.
Ali. Naina, Kuya Ron, Bien Balanza,
Yung mga sumisugay na rin.
Arlene Leia.
Andiyan pa rin
Thank you
sumisugay
so
na.
much.
Maraming salamat, ha. Kaya, maraming salamat sa bien. Beautiful soul, Mama Lishali. Good night po sa inyo. Beautiful soul, Mama Lishali. Good night. And, ayan, maraming salamat Sir Yudes. Mag-last song na tayo sa Yudes para makapagpahinga na rin.
Sige, host, last song. Ay, Bien, may ano ka ba dyan, Bien? Asa
Ano
mga
ba
tika
sa'yo,
ba,
Sir
Bien?
Siguro mga... Basta maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. And thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you so much po. Love, love, love. All right. Love, 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 mga tinawag ako ni Lolo.
Sige. Mag-almusal tayo bukas.
Sana all. Kasama naman kami, idol. Saan pa kayo mag-almusal? Baka naman.
Sa Makati. Sa Shangri-La.
Muntik ako hinimatay doon, ha.
Hindi ko naman nakita.
Shangri-La? Saan mo din Shangri-La? Sa labas?
G-Vlog. For you, G-Vlog.
Oh, yes.
Shangri-La. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my last song. We're the king and queen of heart. Hold me when the music starts. All my dreams came true when I dance with you. Kuya Ron. Promise me you're mine tonight. Gaya na. I won't wait in line tonight. When the lights are low, I never let you go. Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I pray would never end? You know it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love us here at the coronation. I'm the king, you're the queen of hearts. Time will pass and tears will fall, but someday we both recall moments made of this golden memory. Woo! Good night, Gaina. Beautiful song, Alicia. Good night. This is my last song, guys. King and Queen of Hearts by David Pomeranz. Yan, balasa, Kuya Ron. Salamat sa inyong mga support yan, guys. Sa mga tag-support, thank you. Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we make together on a night that I pray would never end? Oh, no, it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love us here at the coronation. I'm the king, you're the queen, and no one's and the future dreams, where the dancers never seems to stop. Did I dream that we dance for